Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix camera shake on iPhone. If you're experiencing camera shake on your iPhone, it can result in blurry photos and videos. Here are several steps you can take to fix this issue. First method, use a stable surface or tripod. If you're taking photos in low light or with a slow shutter speed, stabilize your iPhone at a flat surface or use a tripod to minimize shake. Use the self-timer function to prevent movement when pressing the shutter button. Just go to Camera, then tap the arrow upwards, tap on the time icon, then choose your duration. Next method, enable grid lines. Turning on grid lines can help you compose your shots better and keep the camera steady. Go to Settings, Camera, and enable Grid. This will help you align your shots and maintain stability. Next method, update iOS. Ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS, as updates can improve camera performance. Just go to Settings, General, Software Update, and install any available updates. Last method, if the camera shake issue persists after trying these steps, there may be hardware problem with the camera itself or the image stabilization system. Contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for professional assistance or repairs. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.